rupees 482 crore has been allotted for Goa. It's for railway. It's not. It's for Southwestern Railway as well as Konkan Railways. So it's totally 482 crores allocated for railways in Goa for this year. And total investment that is being done is 5,696 crore. This includes all the station development and track new lines, the doubling of tracks, track renewal, everything. Even route electrification of railways. So these pertains to Konkan Railway as well as Southwestern. This is this 5696 is specifically for Southwestern. Because for railways, Konkan Railway doubling and electrification, we have to spend from our own revenue.
It is also we also get equity support from the ministry for this project. We have got also.